Hello everyone. So let's just take a look in this video on how custom formats work in speech to note. So currently I'm in the general settings of speech to note. You can navigate to this page by clicking on your profile and then coming to settings. As soon as you are in settings, there's a section for custom prompts here. As of now, you can add up to six custom formats. We will be increasing this limit to 30 or 50 very soon. But yeah, to add a new format, you can click on add format. There are four basic criteria that you need to fill out for making your first custom format. You need to choose an icon. Earlier there was a slight bug, but that has been resolved now. So you can choose any particular icon from this entire list of emojis that is available to you. You need to write a format name. So let's just say, let's mention something. You can write the format instruction, which you need to keep it under the limit of 1000 characters as of now. And you can use two important variables in this. One is already mentioned here, transcript. The other one is language, and it needs to be mentioned in this fashion only. So this variable gets applied automatically to your format instruction even if you don't add it. But if you want to sort of include the language variable somehow in your format instruction, you can do it. It is available to you. So what it does, it simply takes your selected language and applies it to the format instruction in order for you to generate note in your preferred formats, right? So this variable is also available, and then you have this format info section where this part of the information shows up on the tooltip, and it is for your quick reference only. So this sort of shows up when you are about to select any particular note for your usage. Let's take a quick look at that. So this is how it's being done. I'll show you one of my formats that I've created. So this is my LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the formats readily available, but for example, I have created this for writing my style of LinkedIn post. So let's take a look at it. So what I've done is I've given it a fairly large instruction where I am using a transcript variable. So what I say that, like, given the following transcript, identify the key points to create a structured LinkedIn post that includes a personal anecdote or struggle related to the topic, a common question people might ask about the topic, initial advice or a foundational step to take regarding the topic, a specific method or rule addressing the topic broken down into clear parts, a closing encouragement or call to action for readers to apply this advice in their own lives. So usually I talk a lot about various scenarios that I've had in my life, or in certain, or I talk about certain challenges while building my company or building certain products. So I speak those things out loud on speech to note, and then use this version of my LinkedIn, and I pass it my transcript using the transcript variable. Oops. Yeah, so I pass it using my transcript variable, and I tell speech to note to organize the content from the transcript into this LinkedIn post structure as per the outlines that I've given it to. So yeah, I have just given the info LinkedIn in my style, and then I can update the transcript so it saves it. Now instead of simple clear, I can just use my LinkedIn. It appears here. So instead of, let's say, we can go with something. Yeah, we can go with something that was done previously. So let's say, although one quick note, say you created a custom format, but in case if you removed it, so that will look something like this. Like, this was one of the custom formats that I added on the platform on speech to note, but I decided I don't need it anymore. So in that kind of scenario, it will look something like this, that format not found will come up. Now let's say I want to add format and I want to use my LinkedIn scenario, right? So if you quickly look at the transcript, this was about my freelancing and building an agency experience and what gave birth to the idea of speech to note. So here I am using this transcript and applying my created custom format to the transcript, and let's just see how it builds the fresh LinkedIn post out of it on those lines. Okay, so here we go. Transforming a struggle into innovation, the birth of speech to note. So if you give it a read, it is very much following the instructions. It is understanding the anecdotes and trying to ask a question, right? And then is trying to give the solution into distinctive points, right? And then it is also providing a call to action, right? And it is driving people to explore speech to note. So exactly, you can do the exact same thing. You can be as detailed as possible with your note formats, with your custom note formats. The more detailed formats you write, the better your results will be, and you will get readily available things from speech to note with the help of your voice itself. And that will basically reduce your time in creating specified or desired kind of content for your use cases. So yeah, that's whole and soul about custom note formats. I'll go back, give it a try. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it. We will be increasing the limit of custom note formats for every user from 6 to probably 50 in the next few updates. But I hope this gives you immense amount of clarity on how to use custom note formats. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our email hello@speechtonote.com, or just drop a comment below and we will be reaching out to you for sure. Thank you and cheers. Bye-bye.